Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your language in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our TikTok app first. So basically there are a lot of languages in TikTok, so if you don't want the default language, that is English, to be your default language, you can change it anytime you like. So to do that, you can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and you can see the settings and privacy option pop up. Tap there, and after that you will have to find the settings that says app language, and it's the third one under the category content and activity. Let's tap there, and you can see TikTok has all these languages available for you. If you want to change, you can certainly just tap on whichever language you like and it will be changed. The TikTok's default language will be changed. Suppose if I want to change it to Japanese, I just need to tap it over here, and you saw the tick mark has been applied to the Japanese language. And when I tap the done, which is on the top right corner of your phone, just tap there, you can see Japanese, all the information of the TikTok has turned to Japanese. And if I want to revert it to English, I have to do the same things. I'll have to go back to profile and tap the three line icon over here, and let's go to settings again, and you can see over here it's still in Japanese. Let's change it to English and tap on the English, and you can see it's okay for Japanese on the top right. Just tap there, and your whole TikTok is now in English language. Okay, there guys, changing language preferences in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.